Hello, gardeners. Welcome to Lively Garden. I am so happy that I'm able to grow my own food. Imagine stepping into your own backyard, reaching down to a plump tomato or fresh herbs, knowing exactly how they were grown, free from pesticides, chemicals, and artificial fertilizers. Growing your own organic food at home is more than just a hobby. It's a choice that can deeply impact your health, your environment, and the sustainability of our planet. This is my second eggplant harvest. I love that eggplants are perennials, and this eggplant was huge. I had to weigh it. It weighed 489 grams, which is crazy because that is almost half a kilo. And I'm so excited because I've grown it at home with just water, manure, and lots of love. And I love that there has been a growing awareness about the food we eat and where it comes from. More and more people are becoming concerned with the chemicals used in industrial agriculture and the long journeys our food takes to reach our tables. So I love that this has sparked a movement towards more sustainable, healthier, and environmentally friendly choices, with organic food taking the center stage. I've seen a lot of people now trying to grow their own food, even people who live in apartments. I've seen them like cut containers and try to plant their own vegetables, which is amazing. My carrots have this weird shape. Somebody in the comment section told me it's because of using a lot of manure. I'm not sure. On my end, I thought it's because of the soil, because the soil we have has a lot of rocks. And you know, carrots are tap roots. So they like fine soil so that the root can go deep and then go straight. But I feel like my soil is not fine. It has a lot of rocks and all that. So I have a feeling that's why my carrots look like that. But I'll also look into the manure issues. If you know of any other reasons why the carrots would look like that, let me know. I've mentioned in this channel before that I always make my own pest control, where I mix water and vinegar. In this case, I also added garlic and cayenne pepper, and it is working well. If you're growing your own food, using natural pest control methods like neem oil. But then if you know somewhere where I can get neem oil in Kenya, let me know. Yeah, let me know in the comment section where I can buy neem oil. It is a very good pest control. Companion planting also help to control pests. Also attracting beneficial insects like ladybirds is also essential and can keep your garden healthy without the need of harmful chemicals. These are Napa cabbage leaves. You can use them in salads, in stir fries, in soups, and in kimchi. But I'll not be doing any of that. I'm just looking for food for my chickens.